Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious potato soup with bacon. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 6 medium-sized potatoes, 8 slices of crispy bacon, and 1 large onion. For the liquid base, prepare 4 cups of rich chicken broth and 2 cups of whole milk. Don't forget your seasonings: a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a 1/4 cup of fresh chives for garnish. This combination creates a truly comforting meal. Now, let's get everything ready for cooking. Begin by frying your 8 slices of bacon until they are perfectly crispy. Remove them from the pan, drain the excess fat, and crumble them into small pieces, setting them aside for later. Next, peel and dice your 6 medium potatoes into uniform half-inch cubes. Finally, chop 1 large onion and mince 2 cloves of garlic. Having all your ingredients prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. With your ingredients prepped, it's time to build the soup's flavorful base. In a large pot, sauté the chopped onion and minced garlic in about 2 tablespoons of the reserved bacon fat until softened. Add the 6 cups of diced potatoes and 4 cups of chicken broth. Bring this to a boil. Then reduce heat and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the potatoes are fork tender. For a creamy texture, mash about 1/3 of the potatoes directly in the pot. Almost there. To finish your delicious potato soup, stir in 2 cups of whole milk and 1 cup of heavy cream. This adds a wonderful richness and creaminess. Season the soup with 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper, adjusting to your taste. Heat the soup gently for about 5 minutes, making sure it doesn't come to a boil. Ladle into bowls, then generously garnish each serving with the crispy crumbled bacon and a sprinkle of fresh chives. Enjoy your homemade comfort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.